What's up, boys and girls? Welcome back to the channel. If you're here, you're probably frustrated with the annoying server connection failed error in Marvel Rivals. Don't worry, because today I've got you covered with the best solutions to get you back in the game. And hey, if this video helps you out, be sure to like it and subscribe for more tips. Solution 1. Check the server status. First, check if the Marvel Rivals servers are up and running. Sometimes, the issue isn't on your side, but rather a server outage or maintenance. Visit the official Marvel Rivals website or check their social media channels for updates. If the servers are down, all you can do is wait until they're back online. Solution 2. Restart the game and your system. If the servers are fine, then go to your game and restart it. Close the app completely and restart your gaming device. This refreshes your connection and can solve minor issues causing the error. Solution 3. Verify your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial. Test your connection speed, and if it's slow or unstable, restart your router. If possible, switch to a wired connection for better stability. This simple step often resolves connectivity errors. Solution 4. Update your game and device. Make sure your Marvel Rivals game and device software are fully updated. Outdated versions can cause compatibility issues and lead to errors like this one. Head to your App Store or game client, check for updates, and install them. Solution 5. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Your firewall or antivirus might be blocking the game. Check their settings and add Marvel Rivals to the exception list. This ensures the game can communicate with its servers without interference. Solution 6. Verify game files. If you're on PC, then go to your game platform like Steam or Epic Games and use the option to verify game files. This scans for and fixes corrupted or missing files that might be causing the problem. Solution 7. Contact Marvel Rivals support. If none of these solutions work, it's time to reach out to the official Marvel Rivals support team. They can provide assistance tailored to your specific situation. You can usually find their contact details on the official website or within the game client. And there you have it, boys and girls, everything you need to fix the server connection failed error in Marvel Rivals. I hope one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.